Well, some of you may have gotten the notice that Cozy is shutting down rent payments and is not going to be accepting rent payments on your behalf from tenants as of the end of this month. And I know for a lot of other landlords, I'm seeing it already all over the threads, Bigger Pockets and Facebook, people looking at what they can do. Avail.co, Avail.co, you can not just collect your rent, but you can list your properties, screen tenants, sign and draft lease agreements, and of course then collect your rent. It can be done automatically. Avail does rent reporting so that your tenants can get credit for paying their rent on time each month. And it's automatic and it's free for landlords. There's very little time it takes to get set up, less than 5 minutes, get your account set up, invite your tenants, and then they can pay their rent on time with you, set it up automatically. Receipts are automatic, reminders are automatic, late fees are automatic. It's really easy and great, especially set up for landlords who have anywhere from 1 to 50 units. Very simple, no catches, no credit cards, no contracts, guaranteed. Check it out, avail.co. Switch from Cozy, give it a shot. You're gonna love it.